Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will solve your doubts on a popular question, that is how to go live on Lemon8 app in 2025. So, I will walk you through everything you need to know about live streaming on Lemon8, including its availability, requirements and step-by-step instructions. So, as of 2025, Lemon8 does not currently have a built-in live streaming feature like TikTok or Instagram. This app is primarily designed for sharing images and videos in a blog style format, focusing on creative content rather than real-time broadcasts. Since Lemon8 does not support live streaming natively, some users try alternative methods to connect with their audience in real time. The first method is direct followers to other platforms. Many creators use TikTok, Instagram Live or YouTube to stream live and share the link on their Lemon8 profile. Now, second way to do this is uploading pre-recorded videos. Instead of live streaming, you can record and post a video update, then engage with comments in real time. While Lemon8 currently lacks a live streaming option, this could change in future updates. So, to stay updated, check the app's latest updates on the App Store or Play Store and follow Lemon8's official blog or social media for future announcements. For now, Lemon8 does not support live streaming, but you can still engage with your audience through posts, comments, and directing them to live sessions on other platforms. So, if Lemon8 introduces a live feature in the future, we'll be sure to update you. So if you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.